Hey! We are here. We arrived to Ocho Rios, Jamaica.
Ocho Rios, Jamaica.
Hello! We arrived to Ocho Rios, Jamaica. That's a cruise, as you can see over there. Boom! Hello! They tired, so let's see what we can find here. Here with what is your name, sir?
CJ.
CJ.
My real name is Carlton Johnson, so they just call me CJ.
Yeah, we are here at the Spanglish House. We're going to visit
To the Blue Hole, do some waterfalls, jumping, and the kids are gonna have a blast. And the big one here is gonna say thank you, CJ, when he's finished.
We're here in Ocho Rios. We make it here.
Yeah, man.
What's your name, sir?
Kevin.
Kevin.
Yeah, man.
So, see how the place looks like.
That's where.
Excuse me? This way, this way. Hey, Sleeper, I'll show your step. Come on.
Take it down.
It's so cold. So cold. I don't like it.
Go, let's go. Keep going, Noah, hold. We are walking. Hi. We're walking. This is a pretty tough path. So right over there. Go ahead. We're almost there. Almost there. Wow.
Whoa.
You know that one? We call this one lemongrass, you know?
Oh.
Lemon. Lemon.
Yeah. It's good
Wow.
for mosquito
It
repellent.
Or repellent?
Yeah.
It almost smells like lemonade. Oh, look, it says welcome. So guys, we are in the water. It's extremely cold. Feel it. It's so cold.
Really cold.
Yeah, I can put water on you. If it feels cold,
Look at this
comment
beautiful
down below.
paradise.
Cold.
Yeah, go now. It doesn't matter. It's going.
Where are we?
We're going to the beach. We're going
Yeah.
to the beach.
So where are we?
We're in
We are in
Jamaica.
Jamaica, Ocho Rios.
Ocho Rios in English means 8 rivers.
Hey,
Hey!
what are you going to do now?